Hello everybody. Today we'll be discussing about few companies that are very interesting. While I was working on the screener website to find some interesting pattern for my future investment, I wanted to find the activities of DII and FII. I wanted to find stocks in which there is DII interest and FII. Both these investors are investing in these stocks or increasing their investment in these stocks. So I wanted to search for such stocks, and so I applied a filter that I want to know stocks in which DII and FII are both investing, and their share is more than 5%. Okay, so they have invested, or the change in DII and FII investment is about 5%. So you can see here change in FII and DII. So the change is 12% in CMS Infosystem, 5% in CMS Infosystem. DIIs have bought 5% stake, FII 12.58 in CMS Infosystem. Okay, so all these stocks, these three stocks, CMS Infosystem, Pricol and Sterlite Tech, these are three stocks in which DII and FII have shown interest. Okay, now we need to study each of these companies in depth before making our investment decision. So I am sharing this because I am considering these for my future investments. I may not invest very huge amount, but sure I will add some amount. Some company like Pricol, they are continuously growing. If you see the price chart, the price has increased continuously from a low of 43 to 450, 10 times. Okay, so to make an entry in this stock, it's a little bit risky, but we can make with very small amount of money, which you can increase. If the stock falls, you can increase. Okay, CMS Infosystem is a stock which looks very promising. Here if you see the profit growth is constant. Consolidated figures, yes, here if we see the net profit, 96, 135, 169, 224, 297, 347. So what we see, the trend is positive. This company was never in loss and always profit is increasing. Very good. And DII is buying, FII is buying. So what else do we want? Is this company trading at very large PE? No, it is trading at 21 PE. Industry PE is 31. There is dividend also, which makes it further interesting. Okay, Petroisky score is 5. So this is financially well managed company. Quick ratio 2.7, 2.93 is the current ratio. So this company has sufficient cash flow, so there will not be a problem. This company will not fall much. Okay, so this looks to be a very strong company. Pricol. Now, okay, let us see what these companies are doing. CMS Infosystem, what do? They are in business of management of ATM. Okay, they are managing ATMs. Okay, the company is engaged in installing, maintaining, managing assets and technology solutions on end-to-end outsource basis for bank, financial institution, blah blah blah. In short, they are working on ATMs. They help banks to manage the ATM. They feed money, they do all the things, and they manage the ATM for all the large banks. So this is the business of CMS. Now what is Pricol doing? Pricol is engaged in the business of manufacturing and selling of instrument clusters and other allied automobile components in OEM and replacement market. So this is a very good company working in spare parts, manufacturing of spare part for automobile sectors. This is a very old company. It is now it has business in international market and looks to be a good company. it went into loss in between, but now it has covered that loss and moving positively. Capex, they are planning a capex of 600 crore from FY23 to 25. Okay, so I will not take much of your time, and this company looks good. Okay, so now what about the third one, Sterlite technology. Sterlite technology, actually I like graph like this, because here if you take a buy call, then there is nothing much to be lost. You will not lose much, because here margin of safety will be high, provided the business does not go into loss. Okay, since DII and FII have invested here, so they must have thought something, they must have studied the business. Okay, so we can start investing in these stocks by very small amount. If it rallies, you can buy, add more. If it goes down by 20%, you can invest more. Okay, so here in this Sterlite tech, the risk is very less. So what is the business of Sterlite technology? Sterlite technology has grown over years to become largest optical fiber and optical fiber cable manufacturer in the country. Okay, optical fiber. The company has a sizable presence in overseas market with established presence in global optical fiber market. Okay, so this is a company which manufactures optical fibers. Then it has business in multiple countries like USA, Mexico, Brazil, UK. Okay, order book. It has an order book of 11,000 crore, out of which 4,000 crore worth will be delivered in FY24. Telecos take up most of the order book at 60%. So this company looks strong, and it will surely benefit because it has a order book, and this order book is not small, it is a very huge order book. The company is also planning for capex, manufacturing capabilities in capex and capex. It already owns 9 manufacturing facilities in India, China, Italy, Brazil. Okay, so all these companies that I am discussing are very interesting, and I am discussing this because I want you also to study. Okay, so before making our investment decisions, we should study more. And if you find anything interesting, do comment in the comment section. Thank you very much. This is all that I wanted to talk about today. 3 companies, CMS Infosystem, Pricol, Sterlite Technologies, the DIIs and FIR are investing here at this point of time. So this is what we as a fundamental investor should notice, study this company, and if found appropriate, we should be investing. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, good day, goodbye.